By using the Trios intraoral scanner from 3Shape, you will be able to bond the brackets on your patient using the indirect method. Unlike traditional indirect bonding, we have removed all the cumbersome and time-consuming steps and left you with an easy-to-understand digital workflow that offers increased patient comfort, high accuracy, and reduced treatment times. All of this leads to improved dental care and increased profitability for you. Let me show you how it all works in less than 2 minutes, in this case for the upper arch. You scan the patient with the Trios intraoral scanner. This is done in just 2 to 3 minutes and is very comfortable for the patient. The quality of the scan is flawless and is captured in realistic colors. The screen is now split into two, with the malocclusion scan on the left and the final setup on the right. The right side of the screen will continue to improve as you go through the next few steps. The system automatically selects an ideal arch wire based on the minimum in-out values, thus giving you an indication of how you can reduce treatment time. As you can see, the setup on the right is already starting to take form. You now choose the bracket library that you have decided to work with from the list available. You have full freedom to mix and match between libraries, so that, for instance, you can choose tubes from another library on the molars. As soon as you have chosen the library, the right side of the screen improves even further, as it is now adhering to the bracket prescription. In the final step, you have the ability to adjust the bracket positions. You can choose to either adjust the bracket on the left side and see the final result on the right side, or choose to move the teeth into the final position on the right side and have the system automatically calculate the bracket position on the left. There are several small one-click tools to make the workflow even easier, including a feature that distributes the teeth evenly. As you can see, it keeps the midline intact, while keeping the second molars in place. As a user, you are constantly informed about potential problems, such as gingiva and antagonist collisions. You have now completed the workflow, and the system offers you a full prescription table. You or your lab can now print a model with the brackets on, so that it is possible to thermoform the bracket tray over the model. If you or the lab have a 3D printer that can print, using soft, biocompatible material, you can skip printing the model and the thermoforming process altogether and print the bracket tray directly. This is a game changer in productivity. For direct tray printing, the tray is simply designed on the screen and sent directly to the printer. So, to sum up, the process is as follows. 1. Scan the patient. 2. Place brackets. 3. Approve bracket placement. 4. Design the bracket tray. 5. Print the bracket tray. 6. Add the brackets to the printed tray. And 7. Bond the patient. Except for the patient scan and the actual bonding, you can choose to outsource one, some, or all steps to your lab, whatever works for you. The benefits of what you have just seen are quite remarkable. Your patient has improved comfort, as he or she only needs to be in the chair for the initial scan and the final bonding session. The accuracy and predictability of the treatment is improved compared with direct bonding, as the brackets are placed with high precision and with the final result on screen at all times. The treatment time is potentially reduced, as studies show that indirect bonding leads to a reduction in treatment time compared to direct bonding. In other words, we have managed to combine the simplicity of the direct bonding method with all the sophistication, flexibility, and accuracy of the indirect bonding method. Ultimately, this leads to improved profitability in your practice. If you want to know more about the 3Shape Trios Intraoral Scanner, please visit 3shape.com/Trios. If you want to know more about digital indirect bonding or one of the other 20+ orthodontic tools that come with the Trios scanner, please visit the Ortho Training playlist on youtube.com/3Shape. Thank you for watching.